Hello students, I hope you all are fine. As you know very well, we are going to do unit 5 thermodynamics of class plus 1. So student, today we will keep continue this unit, and today our topic is work. Okay. Students, here we will discuss about the mechanical work. Mechanical work means based on the pressure and volume. Pressure volume work we will discuss here. You know very well what is work. Work is force into displacement. It is product of the force and displacement. Okay. In thermodynamics, you know very well, we either do work on the system or work is done by the system. So if we take a cylinder, if we take a cylinder, okay students, and 1 mole of gas is filled in this one. One mole of gas is filled in this. Let us consider students its volume is VI. VI means initial volume of this. Initial volume. Then if we fit a frictionless piston, then students, let us consider that if some pressure is applied by atmosphere and this piston move downward by applying some pressure, some external pressure. Okay, then what will happen? This volume decreases. Let us consider after decrease in volume, now it is Vf. This one is Vi initial volume. Again, now after applying pressure, this volume is going to be decreased, and now consider volume is Vf, means final volume. Okay, and students, let us consider that this this length is L, means how, this decrease take place. Okay, and area of cross section of piston, area of cross section of piston we have A. So students, you know very well volume. What do you mean by the volume? Here we are talking about the cylinder. And volume, how can we calculate? Volume is the total space occupied by an object, or by formula length into breadth into height. Okay. Here, how much displacement is taking place? Which length is covered by this? This is L. Okay. And student, you know very well, area is length into breadth. So can I write in this way? L into A. Okay, L into A. Because these two parameters we can show by area also. Okay. So from here, volume is equal to L into A. Consider it equation 1. And you know very well, pressure. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Force per unit area. From here, what is force? Force is equal to pressure into area. Pressure into area. Okay. So students, here work done is equal to force into displacement. Now from here you can put value of force in this equation. Consider it A. Okay. So W is equal to force. Force we have calculated, it is pressure into area. Okay. And S is the displacement, means how much it displaced. And here this distance is L. So we can take displacement L. Okay students. And A into L means area into length. I can write it volume. Volume. Here I will write it in change in volume. Okay, how much change in take place? Initially volume was VI, but finally it is VF. Student, here you can see that compression is taking place. Compression is taking place. Before applying pressure, volume was VI, but now it is VF. And VF, this is less than as compared to VI. So here del V is equal to VF final volume minus initial volume. So VF minus VI. VF minus VI. I can write. From here del V. Student, you can see that this volume, change in volume is negative here because final volume is less than as compared to the initial volume. So I can write in this way. I can write in this way minus P external del V. Okay, del V. And student, this volume is going to change from VI to VF. So I can write in this way also. So this is the work done. This one is the work done. Here work done is positive. Work done. Work done I am writing in this way del V. Okay. And you know very well del V. Del V is equal to VF minus VI. And here VF is less than VI. So students, this del V, it will be negative. It will be negative. So put this in this one. So work done. Work done will be minus P external into minus del V. Means overall work done will be positive. Overall work done will be positive. When it will be positive? When work is done on the system. When work is done on the system. So I can say, when we do work on the system, then compression take place. You can see initially volume was this one was the volume, but now only this one is the volume. So here compression is taking place when we are applying external pressure on this. Okay, so when we do work on the system, then work will be positive. Work will be positive and compression take place. Compression take place. Okay, students. And I can say if work is done by the system, if system works, then what will happen? This piston, it move upward. It will move upward. If it will move upward, then final volume will increases. And if volume increases, then del will be del V, means change in volume. It will be positive. And total work done will be negative. Okay, so if work is done by the system, if work is done by the system, work is done by the system, then its sign convention will be negative. And in volume, expansion take place. Expansion take place. Okay, students. And if work is done on the system, then work done will be positive and compression take place. Okay, so today we have done it, basic of the work, some other terms, reversible, reversible processes, irreversible processes. Okay, we will discuss them in next video. So thank you, have a nice day.